Hey there, Math Brains, Mr. Friedline here. It is Tuesday. No, it's not. It's Monday. Well, there's a typo. Okay, it's Monday, October 18th. Let's take a look at our homework for tonight. Monday, October 18th, homework. Write these fractions as a percent. 31 over 50, 7 over 25, 19 over 20, 9 over 40. There's two word problems too. They want you to convert 7/8 into a percent and 1/8 into a percent. Let me do 1/8 and 31 over 50. I'll do 2 of your 6 problems for homework tonight. I must be a nice guy. The first one, let's do like just the regular, or actually let's do the word problem first. You delete 1/8 of the messages in your email inbox. What percentage of the messages did you delete? So I'm going to start with a fraction, which is 1/8, and I want to turn this into something that's going to be some percent. Now I know to do this I have to turn my fraction into a decimal first, and then from a decimal I can turn it into a percent. The reason why all of your problems tonight are turning a fraction into a percent is because that's the hardest thing to do. So we need some more practice on this because our test is Friday. So the first thing, we got to change it into a decimal. So I got 1/8 is equal to 8 into 1. Well, 8 goes into 1 0 times, but I'm going to add some decimal points, a couple zeros here in case I need them. 8 goes into 10 once. I get a remainder of 2. I bring down another 0. 8 goes into 20 twice. 2 times 8 is 16. Get a remainder of 4. Bring down another 0. 8 goes into 40 perfectly 5 times. I should get a 0 remainder right there. That means a terminating decimal. So 1/8 is equal to 0.125 as a decimal. So we changed it into a decimal, and now we can go from a decimal to a percent. Changing a decimal into a percent, we can do one of two things. We can either multiply by 100, or we can simply realize that multiplying by 100 is the same thing as moving my decimal space 2 times. My new decimal is going to go right here. So my answer should be 12.5. 12.5. We changed it into a percent, so we have to make sure we put our percent sign. And that's it. Look at all that work for that first problem. Goodness. 12.5. That's 1/8. So there's your last word problem for today. You need to pause it so that you can write that stuff down. Please do. Otherwise, I'm going to go on to your first focus problem, which is 31 over 50. 31 over 50. This problem can be done a little easier. We can use our trick for this problem. We know that a percent is any number over 100. So if the denominator is something simple that I can change into 100, well then I can just multiply the top and the bottom by that and take the numerator. So I know that 50 times 2 is going to equal 100 on the denominator. If I multiply the top, I'm not really changing anything, am I? I'm just multiplying the top and the bottom of the same number. I'm making an equivalent fraction. So 31 times 2, I get 62. 62 per cent. Remember, C-E-N-T means 100. 62%. Just that easy. That doesn't work all the time. If I had something like 49 down here, well, there's nothing I can write times 49 that gives me 100. So this would not work. To solve that problem, we'd still have to say, well, 49 goes into 31, and we'd work it all out. But if it's something nice and simple like 50 I can multiply by 2 to get 100. So 31 I can multiply by 2 to get to 62. 62%. 62%. Good luck tonight.